All right, y'all, we back with this beautiful 1977 Pontiac Bonneville. We already done the full review on her with the wheels on, so I'm going to put that video link in the description. Y'all go check it out. We're going to do a quick walk around with the stock wheels. She has the Pontiac 400 cubic inch 6.6 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. Paint is in good condition. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. Interior has minor discoloration, but she's in overall great shape. I think she's absolutely beautiful with the stock wheels on. Let's go check out the interior. Package tray. Let's start her up. That's the Pontiac 400 cubic inch 6.6 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. As y'all can see, she's running good. She got power brakes and power steering. Y'all make sure y'all go check her out at rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.